Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome again in this new video, which will be about Bios repair. It's in virus server. The request is this one that you can see in front of you here. So this is the request. It's about MSI, and in fact we don't need for MSI we don't need to do any repair for the dam. So we can just opt for the update which MSI offers, and usually MSI offers a full use image. So you just or it's just go to MSI support. This you go post the result, and it's this. It's copy the model. This copy and paste. Search. We have it here. Go to download, and you have the BIOS. Have the BIOS. It should download. Okay, let's put in BIOS fixing. Create a new folder. Control V. Let's call it the same as the model of our laptop. Okay, now you go to the folder like this, and you extract here, or extract the folder as you wish. So we have the full image here. You can analyze it by me analyzer. Okay, let's use my tool. My favorite one is there. Let's open desktop. Just fixing GE62. Here it is. Let's analyze. Enter. We have. So it's a full BIOS image. Go back to the folder. We can also analyze it with this tool to check the partitions. Yes, we have the start and the end of each partition here. We also can check it with the hex to see the structure of the header and the footer. Everything's okay. File is ready for use. No clear me is needed. Nothing to do. This image, you just use it as it is. As you can see, we can even analyze it with UFI tool. We have the mirror region, we have the BIOS region. Seems perfect too, and ready to use. So that's it. So for MSI laptops, no need to request the BIOS in any place. You can do it yourself. That's it. We came to the end of our video. Bye bye. I hope everybody are enjoying watching it, and I hope you have learned something new for those who don't know this, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.